Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to change a Chevy Silverado tire, updated. Park on level ground, set the parking brake, and turn on hazard lights before you touch the wheel. Put wheel chocks behind the opposite tires and loosen the lug nuts 1/2 turn while the truck is still on the ground. Keep calm, move methodically, and I will walk you through each step to make this simple and safe. Lift the truck after loosening the lug nuts slightly, and always use the OEM lift point to avoid damage. Place the jack securely under the frame and pump it until the tire clears the ground by about 3 to 4 inches. Double-check stability before fully removing the lug nuts. If you have a torque wrench, note the recommended torque, and we will use it later to secure the wheel properly for safe driving. After the truck is safely raised, remove the lug nuts and take the flat tire off the hub using steady force. Align the spare with the studs and hand thread the lug nuts to keep it snug. Lower the truck until the spare contacts the ground, then tighten the lug nuts in a star pattern to the manufacturer torque spec. Stow tools and the flat tire, then check tire pressure and drive cautiously to a repair shop.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.